Let's now have another question from the IB Questionbank. The Osaka Tigers basketball team play in a multi-level stadium. We have now the most expensive tickets are in the first row. The ticket price in yen for each row forms an arithmetic sequence, so I can know that there is a common difference. Prices for the first 3 rows are shown in the following table. I have the first row, so this is U1, and the second row, this is U2, and the third row, this is U3. For part A of the question, we need to write down the value of the common difference. So D is simply equal to U2 minus U1. This is equal to 6,550 minus the 6,800, and the common difference is equal to minus 250. Part B of the question. Calculate the price of a ticket in the 16th row. So I need to find U of 16th. This is equal to U1 plus N minus 1 times D. U1 is 6,800 plus N minus 1, which is 16 minus 1, times D, which is the common difference, which is minus 250. And this will give me, I have 6,800 plus 15 times the common difference, which is minus 250. And this is equal to 3,050. So U16 is 3,050 yen. Part C of the question, we need to find the total cost of buying 2 tickets in each of the first 16 rows. We need to find the total cost of buying 2 tickets. Each 2 tickets are in 1 row. So I have to find first the sum of the first 16 rows, and then I multiply the answer by 2. So the sum of the first 16 is simply equal n over 2, so it's 16 over 2, times 2u1, which is 6,800, plus n minus 1 times d, which is 16 minus 1 times the common difference, which is minus 250. So this value is equal to I use my graphical display calculator. I have 16 over 2 times 2 times 6,800 plus the 15 times minus 250. Close the bracket, close another bracket, and this will be equal to 78,800. So this is 78,800. This is for buying 1 ticket. This value is for buying 1 ticket. So if we want to buy 2 tickets, then the cost would be simply equal to 2 times 78,800, which is equal to, also you can use a graphical display calculator, 2 times 78,800 and this will give me 157,600. So it's 157,600. So this would be my answer for buying 2 tickets in each row of the first 16 rows.